So I got your question, and I realize you answered it, but I thought maybe talk to you about it. I like drawing a sketch, and you gave these values for angle A, side A, and side B. You want to solve this triangle for angle B and C and side C. So I guess you set this up, and so you know how to do that. You took this side 20 over the sine of the angle opposite it, which equal this side over the sine of the angle opposite, which is sine of B, which is the unknown. So we know 3 out of 4 parts. You had a little trouble understanding how they got down here, it seemed. One way to think about it is just cross multiply. That'd be the simplest way. You just cross multiply. So if I do that, it'd be 20 times sine of B equals 17 times sine of 37. And I divide each side by 20, and that's one way to say you rearrange it. So you came up with that and then put it in the calculator. Of course, you pointed out this fact. Sum of the angles 180, so you can find C. Then you set this up, C, let's see, side C over the sine of C, which we just found, would equal the original info, 20 over the sine of 37. Multiply each side by the sine of 112.2 degrees, and just put in your calculator. Hope this helps.